Hi there guys, so today we're gonna make another app inventor project. I can say app. So last time we made a log calculator, as you can see on the background. Today we're gonna make a random name, number, whatever picker. So I'm gonna go for random spinner because you can literally spawn anything you want. So first of all, we are back on the screen one. So we need a few things. So if you don't want to mess up the screen, which normally you won't, turn the title to random whatever. I'm gonna have a bracket. So mine's gonna be thing generator. Okay. So first of all, if you want it to have a better looking at the back, so the height will be fill parent, so will the width, and then we need a few things again. We need a button, another button, a label, and a notifier. It should be non-visible, as you can see. It says, okay, so now we need a few things. First of all, I also missed something. Horizontal arrangement. So the horizontal arrangement should be fill parent. Okay, so I want the background color to be light color, because I like light color. Somewhere around this. Yes, I like it. Perfect. So button 1, the text would be choose, because you'll be using this button to choose whatever you want. Thing, I don't know, names. The second text would be reload, lists. So you have to reload the list of things you wrote on the list later on the coding part, and then you can choose again. For the text, you can just not write anything. And also change the name on the components. So the rename, the first one would be choose. Second would be reload. There we go. And then the label would be message. So I just pop up the thing you want. Okay, now let's go to blocks. Okay, so for the blocks part, as we always do, we need initial a variable. So we will get this initialize global name too. So we're not really having name today. My list of things to go to lists, find this called list from CSV row list. Text, no, it's text. Oh, okay, right here. List from CSV row text. So it should be pretty at the below. From the bottom, count up to 4, it will be it. Drag it to the input, and then we find something else. We need a text box, like we always do. Okay, now listen very closely. Put the things you want in this how do you call it, alignment. So maybe I'm gonna write apple and then just a comma and a space. Don't have another text box, okay? Okay, so I continue. Okay, so guys, so what I wrote right now is apple, orange, banana, pear, grape, pineapple, and peach. Okay, so this is our list of things. So we need this choose. Find this when choose, click, click, do. Now it will be a little bit long of a coding part. Now we have to go to control, find this code if then else. Yes, we will mostly likely to use it for a long coding. And if for the if then else, we're gonna start with if the list so is the list empty question mark list, we find this, drag in the if input, and then let's do it again. So for this block, you put your mouse on top, don't click on anything, find this get global my list of things, drag on the input on the if list empty question mark list. Okay, now for then we need to go to the notifier, which would be the bottom if I'm not wrong. Call notifier one dot show alert notice, and we need another text box. It's gonna copy and paste Windows Control CV. It's not orange, apple, banana, whatever. It will be the list is over. And then we have to go to reload, and then reload list, which we reload enable right here, set reload dot enable to. So for enable, it's either true or false. So in this case, it will be true. Okay, so let's have a little let's just have a little review. So first of all, we did the variable initialize global my list of things too. So we made a list, which will be right here, with things you want. You don't really have to type fruits with me, you can type things. Even if you want to revise, just put the vocabularies you need to revise, put it here. After you finish this coding part, you press the choose and then you start revising. Yeah, I did that before. It's pretty good, pretty useful. Okay. For the else part, because we are after the if and then part, else part is much bigger than the other two. So we go to variables, find this one, not this one. This is an input. This is up input. This is a left input. So let's drag it in. We're not calling names, calling index to dictionary, if I'm not wrong. No, not dictionary. Math. Yes, math. Random integer from 1 to 100, but we're not having 100. 100 is way too many. Way too long. We don't have 100 things. So it will be length of lists. Drag it right in. We're not finished, there's still a block. So get global my list of things. So what I did is the index will be from 1, which probably the first one, to the end of this list, which would be peach, if I'm not wrong. In this in part, in the else part, set message text, which will be the label that shows the message, the word. We can say set message.text too. Drag it in. So the text will be, let's go to lists again. Select list item lists index, drag it in. And list will be the global list of things. So these are the things. And the index will be get index. There we go. Okay, and then we need to go to list again, like we always do. Remove list item list index. And then these two are the same. Because when you get one, for example, I pressed, like I clicked, and then this index will random generate something, for example, grape. And then the message, the label message, text will turn into grape. And then at the same time, this list will delete grape because I already chose it. And then we have to go to reload, enable, which will be this one, 2. So can you guess, is it true or false? The answer is, it's false. We have to turn it off. It's not true. Okay, and then we definitely finished this part. The if then else is finished. So is this one. So let's go to reload, find this, the first one you can find, click one, and then set global my list of things to all of these. Just copy and paste it. There we go. I'm sure we're finished. So let's try it out, shall we? Oh, by the way, I think you might as well change the color of the button, or else it will look very weird. So I'm gonna take a moment to change all of these, and then I'll have another update. Okay, so guys, I made a little update. So what I did is I made this to orange, so it's orange. Also, the word is bold, as you can see, and the shape is rounded. And it should be default at first, but now it's rounded. And so is this one, but I changed it to cyan color. And then this label, which would soon have words in, would be somewhere around this color, very close to the background color. So let's try it out on the Admin Inventor app. So as I say many times ago, like many videos ago, so you go to App Store, you download this app called App Inventor, and then you open it. After you finish, open it, finish downloading, open it, and then press the scan QR code, and at the same time you press this connect AI companion on the computer, scan it. Okay, so let's see. Choose. So we have many things to choose. Okay, after the list is over, press reload this. Okay, so it appears that this is working. So try it out. Make sure you don't get it wrong, and make sure you subscribe and like on YouTube, and remember to share, and I'll do a shout out to one of you guys who subscribe and comment down below. So see you next time, guys. Bye.